Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to add your address in Microsoft Authenticator. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to add your address, you just simply have to open your Microsoft Authenticator application. Then after opening the Microsoft Authenticator, just simply open this application or unlock the application at first. Then after that, you will get to see this address button just beside the payment option. Tap into that address button and then tap into this plus button that appears at the bottom right side. And now after tapping into that plus button, you just simply have to fill up this name, organization, phone and email option, and after that you just simply have to select your address serially by country or region, and after that street address, then city, then postal code at last. Then after entering all these address details, just simply check by tapping into this check button at the top right corner. Then after that, your address will successfully be added into your Microsoft Authenticator. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.